1 minus 3 is minus 2. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 equals to 6. But this answer, of course, is incorrect. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, multiplication and division, which needs to be done from left to right, and addition and subtraction. In our case, we have parentheses and we have a multiplication sign, which needs to be done before we need to do the subtraction. Therefore, what we'll do, we'll start by doing what's inside the parentheses. So we have 6 minus 9 multiply by minus 2. Then we have 6 minus 9 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 18. Therefore, we have 6, because minus with minus, it's plus. So what we get is 6 plus 18 and equals with 24. Thank you very much for watching. Ciao, ciao.